In Madison, Wisconsin, a group funded by billionaire Elon Musk is offering $100 and to Wisconsin voters who sign a petition opposing activist judges. This initiative comes just 2 weeks before the state's Supreme Court election. The Political Action Committee, America PAC, announced the petition in a post on the social media platform X on Thursday night. They promise $100 and for each Wisconsin voter who signs the petition, and an additional $100 and for each person they refer. The campaign for Susan Crawford, the Democratic-backed candidate for the Wisconsin Supreme Court, accused Musk of attempting to buy votes ahead of the April 1 election. This offer was made 2 days after early voting began in the closely contested race between Crawford and Brad Schimel, the candidate preferred by Musk and Republicans. The outcome of this election will determine whether the court remains under liberal control or shifts to a conservative majority. Musk employed a similar tactic before the November presidential election, offering to pay $1 million a day to voters in Wisconsin and 6 other battleground states who signed a petition supporting the First and Second Amendments. In Philadelphia, the district attorney attempted to halt the payments under Pennsylvania law. However, a judge ruled that prosecutors failed to prove it was an illegal lottery, allowing it to continue through Election Day. America PAC and Building for America's Future, both funded by Musk, have spent more than $13 million to help elect Schimel, according to the Brennan Center for Justice. The winner will decide whether conservative or liberal justices control the court, with significant issues such as abortion, public sector unions, voting rules, and congressional district boundaries at stake. Derek Honeyman, a spokesperson for Crawford's campaign, accused Musk of trying to buy a seat on the Wisconsin Supreme Court to secure a favorable ruling in his company's lawsuit against the state. Just days before Musk's groups began spending on the Supreme Court race, electric car manufacturer Tesla filed a lawsuit against Wisconsin over its decision not to allow it to open dealerships. Musk is the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. Tesla's case could eventually reach the Supreme Court. Musk posted on X, urging voters to support Republicans for the Wisconsin Supreme Court to prevent voting fraud, just 8 days before the lawsuit was filed in January. Andrew Romeo, a spokesperson for America PAC, referred to the post on X announcing the petition when asked for comment on Friday. A spokesperson for Schimel's campaign did not immediately respond to an email seeking comment. Crawford and her allies have focused on linking Schimel with Musk as a key part of their campaign. The Wisconsin Democratic Party released a new ad this week accusing Musk of trying to buy the seat for Schimel, who is a close ally of former President Donald Trump. Schimel campaigned earlier this week with Donald Trump Jr., where Trump's son emphasized that electing Schimel was crucial for protecting Trump's agenda. America PAC has also been making this argument through flyers distributed to Wisconsin voters. Musk's other group, Building America's Future, stated in a memo on Thursday that to defeat Crawford, they must present Schimel as a pro-Trump conservative. The new petition declares that judges should interpret laws as written, not rewrite them to fit their personal or political agendas. By signing below, I'm rejecting the actions of activist judges who impose their own views and demanding a judiciary that respects its role, interpreting, not legislating. The petition is designed to collect data on Wisconsin voters and energize them while aligning with former President Donald Trump's agenda, which claims that activist judges are illegally working against him. Trump's administration is involved in several lawsuits related to Musk's Department of Government Efficiency effort to downsize the federal bureaucracy.